back my confidence kasi nawala nga yun nung magtrabaho ako bilang isang alipin talaga sa isang pamilya na para talagang turing nila sa akin is basura. Thankful kasi I'm almost there na hindi mo aakalain na yung isang musmus na bata noon, naglalako lang ng puto, ng ice candy, nagbabantay lang ng maliit na tindahan ng parents, and now, meron ng own brand at dito pa talaga sa napakayaman na bansa. Hi, I'm Vivian Eliazar and I am 32 years old and I am living here in France for 2 years now. And hindi po basta-basta yung aking mga naranasan dito sa France. Yung mga struggles po na aking naranasan, isa na rin po doon ay yung wala kang matutuluyan. I graduated Masters in Filipino Language Teaching and I am a Teacher 3 in Gamut National High School in the Department of Education, and I am one of the chosen scholar to pursue doctor's degree in Philippine Normal University in Manila. But sad to say, I need to give up because I really want to pursue going abroad, working abroad. I started my job here in France as a cleaner and a babysitter. At the same time, I'm tutoring the children in English. Natutuwa din ako dahil nadala ko na naibalik ko yung activity ko sa Pilipinas dito sa France. So hindi siya madali. Like, it takes a year para maibalik ko ang mga activity ko na naranasan ko na sa Pilipinas, yung nakagawian ko. And I really have to thank PGP, the Pinoy Jam in Paris, which really helped me to grow my career in singing and socializing with the other people and helping me to boost my confidence. Walang naniniwala sa'yo. Yung pag-open mo pa lang ng business, ang dami ng negative. Naku, maraming nagbebenta nito. Naku, marami na, mahal, mga ganon. Ang daming mga negative feedbacks from your friends pa naman. So, mahirap yon. But, I really do believe na hindi mo pakikinggan. Once you have your dream, you have your goal, move on. Just listen to what they're saying, but never put it in your heart, never put it in their mind, but make it an inspiration to go forward. So the third one is yung pagkakaroon ng transaction within the supplier. Kasi yung gusto mo, ganun yung gagawin mo ipapagawa mo sa supplier. And it's not really easy. You have to give time on that. And another is yung pagdi-deliver. Hindi easy kasi bago pa nga ako dito sa France, I just live here for 2 years. So hindi pa talaga dumaganap yung aking contacts. Hindi pa nila ako kilala. Buti na lang dahil may singing competition, may singing career ako, doon ako nakilala ng community. And they know me as a singer. So, ganyan nga. And yung may mga joy minor, maraming mga joy minor na gustong mag-mine pero hindi nila tinutuloy, kina-cancel. So, isa sa mahirap din sa negosyong ito, yung pag-online, yung mga joy minor. So, dami ring tax. Yun yung pinakamahirap din, yung legal yung negosyo mo, ang daming tax talaga. From custom, from here in France, na kailangan mong i-declare lahat ng mga product mo, yung mga sales mo. So, makikita yan. So, maraming tax siya. So, doble-doble. So, yan din yung isa sa mga pinakamahirap na gawain sa pag-FP stands for fill-in, Paris. So, yun yung naisipan namin ng partner ko since dahil gusto ko talagang i-pursue ang business dito sa France na nag-start na talaga ako sa Pilipinas pa. Gusto kong magtayo ng sariling clothing and accessories. Nagsimula lang talaga yan sa gusto kong mag-buy and sell. Parang wholesaler ka tapos i-retail mo lang. But my partner told me, suggested me na why not? We have to create our own brand. So I don't have any idea with that because you know when you have your own brand you need to advertise, to promote, etc. Kasi magsisimula ka manghirap talagang ang hirap mag-promote at ipakilala ang brand mo. So because I am positive and he is really positive also and supporting me a lot. So no, it's really easy, and then he do the legal papers and registering our company now. So I'm very happy with that. So the Feel in Paris, it stands for the FP stands for Feel in Paris, which means it is in the two meaning. Feel in Paris. So like you're feeling comfortable, feeling beautiful, feeling gorgeous when you wear the Feel in Paris. And the second one is Filipino in Paris. It sounds like that because we are targeting the Filipino community with our own brand. So we started with the Filipino community and then growing until the other nationality can really discover our own brand.
T-shirt vraiment qualitatif avec un tissu très épais, très chaud et un design très sympa également.
If you really have the goal, if you really have a dream, pursue and work on it. Foremost, I would like to thank my parents who died years ago already. Dahil kung di dahil sa kanila, hindi ganito ang mindset ko. They trained me as a businesswoman kahit bata pa ako noon. And the second one is my children. They are my inspiration in life. Hindi ako magkakandara pang gawin ang goal ko sa life kung hindi dahil sa kanila. The third one is really my partner here. He's really very supportive to me in any legal paper, in encouraging me all the time kasi hindi tayo perfect, nangihina tayo, lalong-lalo na may mga basher, masasaktan ka, pero dahil sa kanya na talagang ini-inspire niya ako to do this and don't listen, just listen to my advices. So I really thank him so much together with his child na talagang napaka-positive nila and supportive. And above all, I would like to thank the Lord for bringing me this opportunity. I know that hindi ko magagawa ang lahat ng ito kung hindi niya will. And I am very thankful kasi I'm almost there. Sobrang natutuwa kami sa mga clients na nagsisend ng feedback sa amin, na satisfied sila sa product namin. And you have the goal, if you really have a dream, pursue and work on it.